Do you want to be able to fix TikTok search not working? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So it is very important that you watch this until the end. The first step is going to be for you to open your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here. And then when you're on your profile, then we're going to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, because then, as you can see, we get to these options right here, and you need to click on settings in here. And perfect, you should now be taken to this page right here. Now we're going to scroll down until we can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem, because then you should be taken here. Now what you need to do is to scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says submit a report, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on submit a report. Just going to load, and perfect, we are now taken here. And the reason why you need to come to this page right here is because in here we're able to contact the customer service team that works for TikTok, and they are the ones that can actually fix this issue for you. So basically you need to write exactly like this to them now to be able to make this work. So write exactly like this to the TikTok support now. I am having issues with my TikTok search not working. I need this to be fixed for my account. And now when you're done, just click on submit. So click on submit. And what you need to do now is to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to see this. And then they should reply back to you, just so you know. And hopefully after they have seen this and replied back to you, then this should be fixed for you. So basically this is exactly how to fix this issue. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.